To share a SharePoint site with external users in 2025, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure secure and controlled access to your site. First, you must be a site owner or have the necessary permissions to share the site. Begin by going to your SharePoint site and clicking on the Site Contents link. Then click on the Site Settings and select Site Permissions. From the Site Permissions page, click on the Advanced Permission Settings link. Next, you need to create a new group for your external users. Click on the Groups link and then click on New Group. Enter a name and description for the group, and then click on the Create Group button. After creating the group, you need to add your external users to the group. Click on the Members link and then click on New Members. Enter the email addresses of the external users you want to add, and then click on the Share button. You can also share the site directly with external users without adding them to a group. To do this, click on the Share Site link and enter the email addresses of the external users. You can also select the level of permission you want to grant to the external users, such as read or edit. When sharing a SharePoint site with external users, it is essential to consider security and compliance. Make sure to set up the necessary permissions and access controls to protect your site and its content. You should also ensure that your organization's security policies and compliance requirements are met. Best practices for sharing a SharePoint site with external users include regularly reviewing and updating permissions, using secure authentication methods, and providing clear guidelines and training to external users. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely share your SharePoint site with external users and collaborate effectively. In summary, sharing a SharePoint site with external users in 2025 requires careful planning and execution. By creating a new group for external users, adding them to the group, and setting up the necessary permissions and access controls, you can ensure secure and controlled access to your site. Remember to always follow security and compliance guidelines and best practices to protect your site and its content.